Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna learn how to translate from any language to our preferred language using our device keyboard, or rather, translating from your preferred language to any other language using your device keyboard. So some persons that may want to translate may have to go over to Google and then they use the translator from Google. But now we're going to be using our keyboard directly on our device. So this is what you do. For example, now if I go over to a menu section and then I go over to WhatsApp and I want to send a message, we have this our keyboard here which we can use to send message, but now is programs to send message in English language. Good. So if I want to send message to this recipient now in let's say Indonesia or in any other language, I will just have to click on this three dot icon here, and when I click on it, it will bring me here. So you see this translate here, you just have to click on translate. So when you click on translate, it gives you option to type in English to Indonesia, for example, or if I'm to type in, okay, let's say any other language, one of these ones, even if it's this. Good. So I can type in English and say hello, how are you doing? And then if I want to send it, I'll just click on that translate and it's going to translate it to this, you see. So I can easily send it directly to this person now and it will appear as promised. So if I want to translate from this language to English, maybe the person speaks this language and I want to be able to recognize what he said, then I can copy the message from here. I can decide to copy it and then I'll paste it here. And when I paste it here, I just click translate and you see hello, how are you? So that's how you can use your device keyboards to do your translation very fast and easy. You see that? So if you enjoyed this video, please do it to like and subscribe, and if you want to receive more content I create later, just hit on the notification bell. Thanks and do have a nice day.